Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about package Shimmer to Flutter. Now we connect this package to project, add to pubspec YAML, then we update default project, and now we write size of box, height 200, width 200, then we write child, write widget shimmer from colors, child we write text, write art programs, base color write colors dot black, highlight color we write colors dot red, maybe green, save, hot restart, open emulator, and now we write parameter debug show checked not banner, write false, then we write style, write text style, font size 24, write font weight 600, highlight color we write white, write text elegant, center, save, write 34 and 30, 28 font size, and we can update width 300 and write text elegant center, and we can use parameter period, duration, seconds, for, add const, save, hot restart, base color we write green, and now we use image, remove widget text, write image dot asset, write assets, logo dot png, hot restart, and we can add parameter direction, shimmer direction BTT, hot restart, and LTR, RTL, TTB. Then we can add parameter enabled, write false, hot restart, and next parameter loop. For example, we write 1, and this all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.